What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Kadesha and today we're back with another hair tutorial for you guys. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's roll right. First of all, let's talk about the packaging. It is screaming luxury. I love this cute little bag. And inside our bag we have our luxury box that our wig comes in. So this is the unit that we're installing today. It's their 24-inch silky straight unit, and as you can see, she is super soft, super silky, and she's moving. This one is their new HD skin lace unit, so it came pre-plucked, pre-cut, ready to wear, and they have the M cap going on. It's a 9x6 lace. It's already ready for us to install. It has the adjustable band in there, and it's the combs in the back as well. This is her. I will be leaving the link down below so you guys can go ahead and check out ISEE Hair. Go ahead and make your purchase. I'm just going to go ahead and move right along. So I already have my hair prepped and ready to go. And I'm just going to go ahead and put her wig on. The two products that I'll be using today, Tresemme Extra Hold Hairspray and then their Shaping Mousse. These are the two products that I'll be using. I will be leaving them down below, so go ahead and check out my description. I'm just going to go ahead and move along to the install. So I'm just going to go ahead and adjust the band to fit my head. I always want my wig to feel secured, especially if it's a glueless unit. So I'm happy that they have the adjustable band in there. And they also have the comb in the back. This gives you extra security, and you want that when you're wearing a glueless unit. So I'm just going to go ahead and put my wig on. This is what our wig is looking like now that we put it on. Again, this is straight out the box, a 5-minute wig install, like grab and go, ready to wear. It already came pre-plucked, pre-cut, ready to wear. This is it, straight out the box, no manipulation, nothing was done to the unit. This is it. It's giving us a really nice look at the roots. So this is what it's looking like. The scalp is looking super natural. I just need to add a little bit of bronzer on the hairline, but this is it. And again, it's 100% glueless. This is it. I'm just going to go ahead and finish up our wig. So this is the finished look. It is super silky, very easy to install, and it's giving us a really natural finish. This is it. Again, this unit is from ISEE Hair. This is their 9x6 silky straight wig, and this one is their new M cap with their skin tint lace, and it's giving us a really natural vibes. Like, this is giving me a really natural look. I love how this turned out. It's super silky, super soft, and it's just giving us a luxury vibe. If you want to get this wig, I will be leaving the link down below, so go ahead and check out ISEE Hair. This is where I'm leaving you guys for today. If you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Let me know how you feel about this unit. And most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video.